Hello everybody, we are back with more Ratchet and Clank episode / part 6. Going to that one planet we just got information for.
Rilgar.
Relgar, yeah, that. I was about to say, dude, can I... Blackwater City. Okay. Let's go. Yeah, previously we died like 7 times to this army thing, and I was not a happy camper.
What was she?
Yep, never gonna do that again, man. Good. Oh my gosh.
Well, luckily you blew it up, so now you don't have to.
Yeah.
Get your revenge.
I died 3 times, so it needed to just explode. Alright, we are here. Check out what's here. The mine glove. Okay. I'm assuming that's something to, like, dig. Or, like, throw rocks at people. I don't fucking know. Do I have to glide over there? Oh, no.
Use the swing shot.
Oh! That's right. I do have the swing shot. I knew that. I have to, like, get super close. Hello? Question mark? I'm so confused, but okay. Whatever. I guess I have to be closer vicinity of it? Like... Aha! I'm good. And then I use it. Oh gosh. Oh god. Oh god.
Yeah, it's nothing like Wind Waker's hug. A lot more awkward.
Okay. We're just gonna... Yeah! We got it! Let's go! Oh, that was frustrating. Is this a Clank thing? Oh, okay. Bro, let's go. What's this?
2.
Taunter? The thing that I don't... It's it.
Suck.
Oh, like that it holds on to the water?
Yep, that's all. Full of water.
Like, do anything with it?
Take it with you to the next area. Or, no, sorry. So you suck the water out to pick up all the bolts down here and get all the money and stuff?
And then you... Okay, so I didn't need to do that at all, really, but...
Oh, maybe not.
Uh...
Maybe you can double jump and glide over to that. Wait, isn't there a... Put your face up against that wall over there? Hold R1.
Gosh. When you forget.
Yeah. I was like, isn't there like a double jump and a half?
And then you put it in on this side.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah.
I missed all the bolts down.
Oh, man. I can live without those bolts for 2 seconds.
But you're trying to get the mine glove. 7K.
Go underwater and grab them. Hello? Going up? Thank you. I was trying to go up so much faster, but it's like... does not let you. I'm just waiting for this to be like the secret underwater level, and I'm not excited for it. Question mark?
We figured it out.
Do we really have to do that? It's a secret underwater level.
Part, but yeah. Or you can climb up the pipes behind you.
Do I go up faster?
I just don't know.
Way. That's frustrating. Secret underwater level! Yeah!
I don't think it actually has any more underwater parts.
That's fine. It's not that bad.
I just realized. This is a PS2 game, so it has a case. It has a book in it.
Do not.
Sorry.
Yeah, no.
Sorry. I'll look at it later. It's right by the cord, so...
Question mark? What?
I think you can just walk down it. It's a tunnel.
Oh! I knew that. Depth perception is a bitch, dude. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. I'm sorry. I was right there too. This is actually really difficult.
Push the X button harder to rise more quickly.
I felt like I had it though. I think I'm doing it the right way. No.
I do remember this giving me so much trouble as a kid. It was such a bitch.
I'm just glad that I'm cutting that corner now, because it's taking less time for me to, like, cut it. There we go. No. Okay, that's fine. I barely got that.
Let's go!
Finally, dude.
Hell yeah. Rewarding as fuck though when you make it.
Is it? It better be.
Oh, I'm just saying, just making it.
No,
nice.
No, I want a good reward. Y'all better give me something for that monstrosity.
15 boxes to smash. There you go. Have a nice day. Just kidding.
I'm tempted to save at this point because, dude, I do not want to do that again. You know what? We're doing that. Hello? I went one too far down. Save. Save. Yes. I think it would still put me at the beginning anyway.
That's a taxi. That will take you back to the beginning. And we'll
Press
unlock the
conference
taxi.
is over. Captain Quark don't want no more reporters bugging him in his trailer.
Oh, you see, my friend and I need to speak to the captain about a matter of galactic security.
Uh-huh.
You mean you and your walking camera? You paparazzi make me sick. Now beat it.
But sir, I'm sure the Captain Quark will understand once we...
Now, save it. I know how it works. You convince me to let you in. You snap a picture of the captain in his underpants. Then you sell a picture to the info tabloid for $1 million bolts.
You've got it all wrong.
Meanwhile, I'm stuck here making 6 bolts an hour, and I have to listen to a lecture from that cheapskate.
Dude, why don't you
Clark.
just be like,
So
okay, you can hold
don't
on to
get in
Clank,
unless I get a
and I go
kickback
talk to him.
in advance.
4K to talk to Clark.
Fuck it, let's go.
You see how it works? You grease the hinges, the door opens.
Fuck you, bro. Maybe use 4,000 bolts on that when I needed those.
Captain Quark.
Was I?
It's Ratchet and Clank, Captain. You know, from the hub.
Oh, yes, I know who you are.
You do?
Yes, and thank the galaxy you found
Watch him
me.
be a big fucking baby.
There's an awful plot being hatched to destroy our planets.
Ratchet, he knows.
Great. Does that mean we can go hoverboarding now?
My friends, we're all
All
in
Ratchet cares
grave
about is
danger,
going to hoverboard.
and I believe that together we can put a stop to this madness.
And by together,
You mean
You mean
want
us.
Our help?
Look, Ratchet, I've been keeping an eye on you. I've never seen anyone with such raw talent. You are a true hero in the making.
Really? You mean I could be famous?
Oh, absolutely. Oh, here. Take this.
it's gonna make us do all the work, and he's gonna take
What
credit
makes
for
one
it.
man toil in obscurity
Or he's
while
gonna
another
die in the
becomes
process.
A hero? Is it strength,
Or both.
compassion, determination, or just pure blind luck? Wise men through the ages have struggled with that very question, but Captain Quark knows the secret. That's why he's been able to defeat more despots, rescue more damsels in distress, and save more civilizations than any other hero in the galaxy.
Uh-huh.
Now is your opportunity to see if you've got the stuff heroes are made of.
Uh-huh.
This infobot contains coordinates to Quark's secret base. Can you quickly conquer Quark's killer cannonade of confounded contraptions? Can you quickly can you Quarkly quick? Oh, just make your way through the defenses to the center of the base. Prove yourself, learn the secret, and earn your place in galactic history. Consult your doctor before attempting any strenuous exercise. Not responsible for death or dismemberment. Your results may vary.
Uh-huh.
So I'm pretty sure that part where he screwed that up and he like went bleh
Meet
and
me
like
at-
kind of broke character for a second.
Meet me at
I
my
believe that was on accident and they decided to keep it in.
Captain Ratchet.
That's great. That's actually fantastic.
Because you can hear the voice actor for like split second break character. He's trying to tell you to quickly Quark your way in there.
Quickly, Quirker. Quickly. Ah!
And you just
What's this
fumble.
way? Is this an enemy?
Might be.
These are enemies.
It's the dudes that
100%.
the amoebas were eating.
Oh, okay. But I wanted to play with them all. I don't need that. Oh wait, the taxi's probably gonna bring me there.
Take it to your ship.
Okay, okay, I hit triangle. Thank you. I hit triangle like 3 times. Hi buds.
The homies.
How are ya? You guys are so cute. I like you guys so much. Look at them. Why'd you suicide? What?
They're trying to jump into the...
Oh, they're trying to attack.
Yeah, they're looking for enemies.
That's so cute. Okay, that's adorable. That's actually just... Dude, hi, buds. Hi. Dude, they're like dogs. I swear, I like them so much.
Homies.
I don't know if I want to end it here or if I want to wait. We still have like 12 minutes, but...
I mean, there's still more planet to go through.
Oh, there is. You are correct, but me going... Oh, it's this way.
Yeah, once you get to the other side of that gate, you're looking at.
Glove of Doom ammo.
There's a button behind you.
A button? Oh! On the floor. Yeah, I knew that.
Thanks, man.
Alright, so we're gonna do that. Ah! Thank you.
Surprised you didn't send the little homies in there.
I was tempted to, but I was like, man, let's just do this. We're gonna beep, beep, beep this place up. Beep, beep, bam. Easy peasy, let's go. low. Oh dear. Good job. Get wrecked. Dude, there were 4 of them that ran out on me. I didn't move that one. Nope. Yeah. One more.
What was it?
Oh, really?
Yeah, you put the other one.
Oh, I did put the other one. I like the jumping mechanics, really. I like the... I don't like it as much as Kingdom Hearts 2, but I like it. Okay, let's do this one. Yeah, we'll keep this one going. Go. Got him all. Right. I think I'm actually doing okay. Just don't make me do underwater portion again. I will be very, very upsetty spaghetti if I have to do that. Okay, I'm all. Do this. Come over here.
This planet is very, straightforward.
What?
It opens both doors, just so you know.
Right. Right. Fuck.
Squad shit.
So fucked.
You just, but you one-shot everyone.
Almost.
Almost, yeah. Big money.
Yeah, I still haven't made up how much I've got from using Captain Quark thing. This way? Nothing? Okay. I guess there's nothing there. And I came from that way. Right?
Is that where you come from? The elevator right there?
I think so.
Yeah,
Yes.
pretty sure, yeah.
Yes. Yes, it is. So I have to go back over here now.
Huh. I thought for sure that wrapped all the way around to the other side of the Quarks. Really? Oh, head down.
Head downtown. Aww. Alright, that sucks. I saw... Oh god. I saw stuff that I wanted.
I got some.
Still have the 7,500. I need that. Oh god. I love this game for doing that, but I hate this game for doing that now. Alright. Fine.
You can grab the fire hydrant too.
Oh, there's two. I was like, you're not back.
Robot. Trade you.
No.
Well,
The Rhino is in
okay.
swim.
Ratchet.
I'm kidding. Sorry, he's not for sale. What's a rhino anyway?
Rip ya a new one.
What did you just say to me?
R-Y-N-O. Rip ya a new one.
Why, that's the most powerful missile launcher in the galaxy. I know it's worth a lot of bolts. He must have stolen it from the Blarg.
Stolen. Look, trash can. Did I say's anything about it being hot? You better watch your mouth or I'll...
Wait, don't tell me. Rip you a new one.
How much it cost?
Oh god. I'm good.
But yeah, the Rhino is an absurdly OP missile launcher.
Oh, is that like a rocket launcher?
Yeah.
I gotta figure out where I'm supposed to go. Oh, that's easy. Okay, I wasn't sure if there was another one. I only have 9 more of these things left, so.
You can always buy more ammo at the
shop.
Yeah, Petrol.
Money. I gotta save my money.
Super good.
But bombs.
Use your Doom Hammer. And the Doom Hammer. Absolutely wrong game. What was that?
Like an antenna of some sort.
Looks like a mine.
Well, it didn't blow up when I walked past it. So. Thank you for finally giving me my life back. I appreciate that game. Doom ammo.
Love of Doom.
I guess I go down.
I would
Sorry.
just start lobbing Doom boys in there.
That's it. That's all of them.
Now you have 3 gates worth of guys on 3 different sides of you.
Yep. So I'm just gonna.
Just throw them.
I'll take my little bugs. Right now, which way we go? Oh, we go back up. Give you a ladder and everything. Because I doubt there's anything in these. I think that these just probably held those guys. Oh? I guess I spoke too soon. Oh, okay, bye! Look at him go! Look at him go! Oh. Ooh. I'm scared. Because I only have one more.
Well, you could drop them, and then,
Okay, so we go this way then. I'm assuming maybe they go this way. Cool. Okay, good. Good. You are so cute, bud. I like you. Open this. Saw that. Oh, glove of doom ammo. Cool. Go, buds, go. Okay, so it's gonna open this side. I'm assuming it's gonna open this side. It's gonna open this side. Yep, I assumed as much.
and then there's other buttons to go back through to get to the...
I want that golden thingy, the nugget. Nougat.
The golden bolts that you can find on every planet. Well,
Bro, look behind you. Never turn your back on an enemy. I know you saw me coming. Okay, I'm gonna get them ready. Go! Go, buds! No. You're not allowed to touch me. I heard him. I know. Oh, it just brings me back this way. Okay.
look around for other buttons.
Yeah, I was doing it. It doesn't look like I see any. I already hit one. Oh, I had that one. Oh god. Oh god. Hi. Hi. Okay. I know, I don't have any more. Tick bomb! Tick bomb! Oh god! backing up now. Just give it that. It's so crazy. You can actually see like your low health because of Ratchet's ears. I'll do that one yet. I'll do this one first. And this one next. Oh. There has to be. You have to get in there to unlock one side. See, this is more suited for you, not me. You're the one with the brain here. A climb? Well, can I not get there yet? Bro, I miss all of those. Really? Come back to one, I guess.
Stand as close to the lasers as you can, right here in front of the boxes. Hold R1 and hit square. Oh, I don't think so. See if you can throw the.
There has to be a way.
I want to say that you need like a Clank kind of tunnel sort of situation. Clank goes in there and pushes the button for you, but I'm not certain.
Alright, I guess we gotta come back later. I really wanted that now. That's really disappointing. Ooh. Okay. Okay.
See if there's any like advantage you can gain from being on that platform. You can like glide over to the laser grid area.
Your glide would be way too slow for that. So, that might work. Okay.
Big brain.
Look how big that is, dude. Yeah, we did it. I got my first golden bolt, dude. It's okay, I'm cutting out some of this video, right? No? Or was that the last one?
The last one.
Oh. It's okay, we could just finish going through this really quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're done anyway.
We have to do the hoverboard races actually.
We could do that next
Yeah.
time. I'm not worried about that. Racing mini games though, yike. Right, so it looks like
I think they're pretty easy.
we are at the hoverboard part, actually.
Oh, nice.
But I don't want to do it yet, and I don't want to leave the PlayStation on for who knows how long. While we wait.
Oh, if you get the tunnel opened to Quark's place, then whenever you can save, and then whenever you load back in, you'll be able to take the taxi from your ship to Quark's place, and then go through the tunnel to get here.
Okay.
Because the tunnel
So
is
it's
right there.
essentially a shortcut. Okay.
Tunnel's over there.
Yeah, I just don't want to use my bombs. guess we're gonna talk to this woman over here.
Start the hoverboard races.
Welcome to the HoverCon Intergalactic Hoverboard Competition. Captain Quark's
They gave you way
giving
too
away
much
a
big
brand
a
new
chest,
platinum
bitch.
zoomerator to the winner
Yeah,
of this
they really did.
competition.
And your posture is
platinum
not
zoomerator.
terrible, but come on, you don't need to
Perhaps
push
that
your
will be the
chest out
proof
that
of your
much.
accomplishments that Skid's agent requires.
Wait, do you guys mean Skid McMarks?
Yeah, Skid couldn't make it, so we're here to, you know, fill in for him.
Guess we'll see about that.
Dude, they even gave her jiggle physics. I'm not okay with that. I'm just trying to find a way back.
That's the tunnel to Quark's place.
Okay, cool. So,
What the hell? Go pick that up.
I can't.
No,
It's
the bolts.
Oh, I thought it was just stuck in like other stuff.
Debris.
Okay, so
Take the taxi.
that'll bring me to downtown.
Yeah, but the taxi's over here. That'll take you back to your.
Yeah. That's why I was coming over here. All right, we're gonna go to our ship. We'll come back to hoverboard stuff next episode. I like how I go back and forth between calling these episodes and parts. But part looked better on like the thumbnail, so that's what I kept it with, was part. So we're gonna come over here to the ship. We're gonna save. There we go. Awesome. Cool. So I guess we made it through most of Rilgar. We have a little bit more to do next time, which is basically the hoverboard racing.
And then go back to the planet that Skid McMarks is on. And then give him the
thing.
Yeah.
And then we go to new planets because he'll probably give us an info bot or something.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's gonna end it for us right now. I don't hate this game. I just say, you know, I hate so-and-so game when I'm doing bad. So I don't hate this game, by the way. I'm just frustrated by dying how many times I died. Okay, I died. A lot. Anyways. If you like the episode, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, and that way you can get notified when we put up new videos. And we'll see you next time. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Yeah, and hopefully whenever we complete this game, maybe we can get the second one. Because we have the third one.
We'll see about that. I think Jack and Daxter might be next.
True. Okay. See you next time, guys.
Okay, bye.